So, a cross-country skier forgets a mug of coffee and a muffin in a snowbank. Their temperatures in degrees Celsius after T minutes can be modeled by the formula. T of the coffee is 81 times 3 to the power of negative 2, and T of the muffin is 27 times 3 to the power of negative 1. Determine when the coffee cools to the same temperature as the muffin. So in this scenario, I have two temperatures, right? I have T, big T, that's the temperature, and small t is the time, okay? So we're looking at when the T of the coffee and the T of the muffin are the same. So how would I solve that? How would I start this question? Equal them to each other?
Yeah.
Because what's the question asking you for? Determine when the coffee cools to temperature as the muffin. So that means T of the coffee is equal to T of the muffin, right? What's T of the coffee? What's the equation for that? What's T of the muffin? So that's the start of the question, right? Now, if you're going to solve here, what would you do?
Make the base same.
Make the bases the same, right? Because then you can work on each side first, then you can equal them to each other, okay? So what would be my base? What would be my similar base here? So 3 to the power of 4, that's 81. Times 3 to the power of negative 2t. Okay? So all what I did so far is just change the 81 to 3 to the power of 4. And then change that 27 to 3 to the power of 3. Okay. Now, my exponent law says what?
Add the exponent.
If I have the same base, right? If I have the same base and there's multiplication, I can add my exponent. So keep the base, add the exponent. Then same here. Keep the base, add the exponent. So that gives me 3 to the power of 4 minus 2t equal to 3 to the power of 3 minus 1 is 2. I have the same base, so I can make my exponents equal to each other. Drop the base, keep the exponent. So 4 minus 2t equals 2. I'm going to bring the negative 2t over and the 2 this way. Yeah. So 2 equals to 2t. So it takes how many minutes for them to cool?
1 minute.
1 minute. So the tea of the coffee cools to the same temperature as the tea of the muffin after 1 minute. Write your therefore statement.